Wait, is this not Shrek?
That's not Shrek.
This isn't Shrek?
No.
You're telling me this is not Shrek?
That's not Shrek.
Who is it? Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So today's video we're gonna get some fun inspo and we're gonna go do a walkthrough of Spirit Halloween and yeah, let's go. That hurt?
Yeah. Stab you with a sword.
Who is it?
I don't know. Looks like the mask. Which I'm pretty sure still isn't even the mask, but it looks like the mask.
I thought it was Shrek. It's really not Shrek. Are you kidding me? Is it the whole thing? That's... Where am I looking?
The other brother.
Oh my god! Wow! We should be this as a couple costume. Wow.
You're weird.
My biggest thing with going to stores like this for a specific Halloween costume is that someone else is gonna have it and it kind of looks tacky. Like if you buy a witch costume here or like a Wednesday Addams costume here, it's like you could literally just go to Macy's or H&M and buy a black dress with a collar and it'll look so much more authentic and you. That's my only problem with these stores. Otherwise, it's fun to come here and get inspo. So, let's go. Like this is so fun. I could go home and like pair it with like one of those skirts and then like one of those blazers. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, this is actually so legit. This is like, look at it. Right?
Yeah, it's pretty sturdy.
This is very cool. How much is it? You see, this is only $15 and it's like so cool. And this gold chain is $8 and it's legit plastic. This is worth it. Like, there's just certain, I don't know, like certain hold front. Look at this. That's fun. Jordan, this is so much fun.
Do community service.
These are legit. I think it's so good to come to these stores and get all the inspiration and get like the little accessories and stuff, but I think it makes the outfit so much cooler and so much more realistic if you get all your little accessories and then go home in your closet and try to layer stuff and figure stuff out, like sew things together. I don't know, it's just, I love that. Like, I love that so much because then nobody has your costume.
God damn it, Bianca. I don't do well with these things.
Just go.
It comes out of you.
You threw such a fit and nothing's in there.
My eyes were closed the whole time. This is like The Hills Have Eyes.
That's the scariest movie in the world.
Oh my god.
Did you get scared?
I didn't see that. Bitch, that's my girlfriend. Bianca, stop, Jackie. Jackie, fucking, whatever her name's right there.
Sally!
Same thing.
Come on, you were seen. Jordan, you sicko!
She came on to me first.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration or at least made you laugh or get creeped out. I don't know, whatever the case. See you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogoween.